Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. Please subscribe. What you're looking at right here is our 3D printer in action. It's making a fairy house flower pot. It has been working for a while. It's currently at like 22%. So it's not quite a quarter of the way through the process, but it's working on it. This is what this is what a 3D printer does. The filament, we have it up over the top of it. Actually, the spool is actually behind it, but it comes up over the top of the machine and feeds into the part that's moving and gets melted down and strung along in the areas that it needs to be, and creates a three-dimensional project. So it's actually pretty cool. And we're actually getting to the point where we actually are understanding what we're doing, and so we're going to be able to start making some more projects. It's just it is kind of time consuming. It takes a long time for larger projects especially, and we do have to kind of monitor this. We're still working on figuring out how to keep the spool from causing problems. The filament on the spool right now we have has a little bit of a cross layering, and so every once in a while we have to be careful that it doesn't create too much tension and bind up and throw the whole thing off. But it seems to be working pretty good right now. So other than that, nothing really new. This was yesterday's project. It's a basically square flower pot that took several hours, most of all day yesterday to do it. Although we did pause it several times during the day, so that added to some of the time. So, but this is what we're playing with. So, anyways, I think that's going to do it for today. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Stay safe out there.